Malapit na naman Valentine's Day. Wala pa ako regalo kay Pia.
You're only sweet on holidays.
Oo nga. Gayahin mo to si JC. Sweet everyday. Ayun na, girlfriend mo, bro.
Babe! Here she comes.
Iba talaga pumapag-ibig.
All! Babe, here. Get one. Ooh, what's this? That's the classic fudgy brownies.
Ang sarap. Grabe yung chocolate.
I know, right? It's rich in chocolate, just like my feelings for you.
Naman eh. Ba't isa lang?
You'll get one every day.
Gusto ko pa.
Patience, Avery.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Something that's fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Something that's fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, eyes closed.
I reserved the fine dining for us.
No, wag na. I wanna make it simple lang with you.
Okay, what do you have in mind?
Gusto ko yung binibigay mo sa akin everyday. Nagka-crave ako dun eh. Favorite ko na siya.
I thought so. Here.
Dala mo?
Of course, I bought it for you.
Wala na. Tuwing kakain ako neto, ikaw na maaalala ko.
That red ribbon you fudgy brownies will be one of our core memory.
Red ribbon to? Magkano?
I'll buy it for you. Don't worry about it.
Gusto ko pa ng fudgy brownies. Magkano ba yun? Ah!
Huwag sana ako mahuli ni JC. 169 pesos lang pala eh. Bibili akong 3. Share ko na lang kay JC kapag nabili ko na para wala siya magawa. Red ribbon fudgy brownies, you're mine.